Using Neville Goddard's teachings, you can manifest anything in 10 minutes. If you properly grasp and apply what I teach you in this video, you will be able to manifest a miracle in your life and achieve what you want in just 10 minutes. Stay till the end to fully understand what I'm saying. But first, I'd want to remind you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button for additional videos on the law of assumption and manifestation. Well, let's now talk about manifesting a huge amount of money, a relationship, or a career, whatever it is you want. In one of his lectures, Neville Goddard talked about a parable in the Bible. The story revolves around 10 individuals suffering from leprosy. Jesus cured them all and then asked them to go off and show that they had been healed. They all went away, but one returned to Jesus and thanked him. He got on his knees and thanked him for such a good deed. Well, what we learn from this parable is that 1 out of the 10 people was grateful for what they had. All the other lepers went away without thanking Jesus, who healed them. The one who thanked Jesus pleased him, and he allowed him to go because his faith had made him well. His overwhelming gratitude elevated him in Jesus' sight, and Jesus fully healed him. In that story, Neville Goddard tells us that if we are grateful for what we have, we will receive more of it. So the question is, are you willing to express gratitude for what you want more of? We as humans get money on a regular basis, but have you ever been grateful for the money you have received? Now let me tell you that if you are grateful for the money you have now, you will receive more money in the future. If you wish to manifest wealth, you must be grateful for the wealth you already have. Neville urges that we always be grateful. If you have ever received money, you must be grateful for it for the rest of your life in order to continue getting it. Let us now discuss another idea concerning Jesus. According to Neville Goddard, God is within you. If you are looking for Jesus, go no farther than within yourself. You have Jesus within you. Only in the human mind does God exist. And as you know, God knows no bounds. He has no limitations and can create anything. So when you discover God and have access to all of God's power, you become capable of manifesting all of your wishes, no matter what they are. You can use God's power if you are a part of God. So once you realize and accept that you are a part of Him, you will become limitless and unstoppable. What Neville Goddard is trying to teach us here is really crucial. He claims that when you have all the power and can create anything, you should never be in a state of wanting. If you discover and believe this truth, you will no longer require anything. Instead, you will exit the state of wanting and join the state of creating, where you will be able to obtain everything you can imagine. If you genuinely want to find God, look in the mirror. You are a part of God. You are one of the components that comprise God. God works through you. He lives within every one of us. The fact is that the unlimited creative energy of the universe exists only within you because you choose how to react to a given situation or how to respond to a particular event. Begin living your life with the conviction that God is inside you. You don't just sit back and hope for the best. You take responsibility and make a difference. This mindset makes manifesting your wishes extremely simple. According to Neville Goddard, manifestation is like pregnancy. When a lady becomes pregnant, she is required to do nothing else. Everything has been done. She waits 9 months and then has a baby. The same holds true for manifestation. Wait for the seed to grow once you've sowed it, and you'll experience it when it's completely matured. Neville Goddard advises us to simply let things happen. We've done our part. We have to let go after the process is completed. Simply forget about it and let it happen. When the process is completed, the results will automatically come true. Well, now let me share with you the technique that you can use for manifesting money in your life. It is a quick and easy way to materialize money. Practice it for 10 minutes every day and then forget about it. Allow it to happen, and it will happen. In the first step, you enter a room where you are alone. Prefer a dark room where no one can bother you. Leave your smartphone and any other digital devices behind. Just be alone. Now sit and allow yourself to relax in that dark room. Begin inhaling through your nose for about 5 seconds. Close your eyes and exhale slowly through your mouth for 3 seconds. This breathing rhythm puts you in a more relaxed state of consciousness. This state of consciousness is called the theta state. The theta state is amazing. It's similar to the state when you wake up in the morning or just before falling asleep. This state allows you to connect to your subconscious mind. When you are connected to your subconscious mind, you can reprogram it. In fact, your subconscious mind is a window to divine power or a source of energy. Accessing your subconscious mind means accessing all the power that you can use to create anything. The subconscious mind is a connecting link to infinite power or God. Before we continue, you can get your free manifestation planner down in the link below. This will guide you and help you keep track of your manifestation. Now the second step is to shift your intention toward your desire. You have to see it, feel it, and believe it. Let me repeat. See it, feel it, and believe it. Simply imagine yourself living at the end of your wish. As Neville says, see yourself as if you have manifested your desire. Whatever your desire is, imagine yourself having it. You want to manifest money. See yourself living with the desired amount of money. You want to manifest a job. See yourself doing the desired job. When you want to manifest a relationship, see yourself living in that relationship. Now, feel it. How does it feel? How does it feel when you successfully manifest the amount of money you want? How does it feel when you get the desired job? How does it feel when you are in a relationship with a specific person? Feel it deeply. See yourself living with your desire and internalize these feelings. Now you have to believe it. It means when you finish practicing this method and come out of that dark room, don't pretend it was just a process that you followed. Believe it as if it were a real scene. It happened, and now it's time to let it go. Just forget about it and start living your life as if your desire has been manifested. Bring about a shift in your real life in accordance with the fact that you have manifested your desire. When you manifest your desire, you become excited. So to show that your desire has been manifested, build up your enthusiasm and emotions. Have such emotions as you probably will have when you manifest your desire. Have the type of thoughts that you will have after manifesting your desire. Internalize these feelings for 2 to 3 minutes, and when you are done with this, you will explode. What I mean by exploding is that you will let the power go out of you. There is a parable in the Bible that I would like to share to explain the meaning of exploding here. The Bible says there was a woman who was hemorrhaging for many years. She came to Jesus and touched his cloak. The Bible says when she touched his cloak, the power went out of him, and he felt it. I want you to do the same. Feel the power go out of you and let it. And the same way. Simply feel the power of the universe that is flowing through you. Now feel that this power leads you and goes out of your body. Now that you are done with this, feel as if it has been done, and be completely relaxed, satisfied, and excited as if you've achieved your goal. It's done. Like pregnancy, just wait for the results. The divine energy or God is preparing it for you, and you believe that it will come true. Now, you no longer need to be concerned. Don't even bother waiting for it. Allow divine energy to accomplish it for you. Even after this procedure, many people attempt to do it themselves. They don't trust the process and resort to alternative methods or implore God again to assist them in acquiring what they want. But that's wrong because it demonstrates that you don't trust the process or have unfavorable opinions about it. It will not function for you in such a situation. Simply believe it if you want it to work for you. Forget everything. After you've finished the process, begin living your life as if your wish had come true. Don't take any further action. Just let the divine energy do it for you. You are the co-creator of your reality. So if you take further action after doing this, it shows that you don't trust the process and want to do it yourself. What can you do once the pregnancy has been conceived? It's done. So all that remains is to wait for the outcomes. So let me outline the steps involved. In a dark setting, you have to enter a meditative state. Switch off your phone and unplug everything. Enter that dark room and completely relax. Take 5 deep breaths through your nose, followed by 3 seconds of exhaling. Feel as though you are approaching the divine energy that resides in your subconscious mind while doing this. Then, while completely relaxed, think and see yourself in your preferred reality. 3 things are must-dos here: seeing, feeling, and believing. These are the most critical aspects of the process, and you must complete all of these steps to be able to properly materialize your wish. If you don't see it clearly, it means you are not visualizing effectively. And if you don't believe it, you will simply get nothing. When you are done with this, feel as if the divine energy leaves your body, and you come out of that. Now when you're back to your routine life, don't express any negative thoughts. Just trust the process and wait for the results. It will come true. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this concept by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion. And that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.